What's up, family? In the place, in your face. It's your boy, that boy can cook. Back at you again. And today, I got a delicious, quick and simple recipe. So what about homemade chicken pot pie? Look at that. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, real quick, family. This is everything we're gonna need for our quick and simple, yet delicious, homemade chicken pot pie. I got some poached chicken that I did. You guys make sure you check that video out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I have some beef, I have some chicken broth, cream of mushroom soup, cream of chicken soup. I have potatoes, already blanched, totally optional. Some people like potatoes, some don't, I do. And also I have peas and carrots, and that's it, that's all. Now let's get to it. Let's get our cream of chicken in now. I'm gonna start off with that. Get our cream of mushroom in now. We're just gonna, let's whisk it together. Hit it with that chicken broth. There we go. And we just thinning it out to a nice, smooth consistency. So instead of chicken broth, let's go ahead and add some water to our can. Get the rest of the cream of mushroom, cream of chicken out. And then that's how we're gonna finish thinning out our sauce. All right, this is our consistency we're looking for right here. And add in my potatoes. Adding in the peas and carrots. That out of there. And just give it a mix. Let's go ahead and throw our chicken in now. And that's it, that's all, y'all. I mean, you can salt and pepper it to taste. I'm gonna add a tad bit. And then we have our oven preheating at 400 degrees. So we're just going to get this in our pie crust and get this in the oven. Yeah. All right, so we have our pie crust right here. Let's go ahead and get our delicious filling inside. There we go. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And get our edge. Let's get it. Let's do it like this. We're gonna lay it on top. We're gonna remove the foil. There we go. You don't wanna rip it. Try not to rip it. There we go. Got that thing up out of there. So let's just, we're gonna seal it. All right, as you can see, we got our pot pie all sealed up. So now we just wanna make some little cuts, maybe about 3 or 4. That way it can cook all the way through. Let's do 4. Now let's go ahead and get this thing in the oven. And I got it on the baking sheet, so we won't have any drippage or anything like that. So like I say, let's let that boy sit up in there for about 15 minutes. We're gonna come back and we're gonna check our edges. Yeah. All right, family, we are all done. Check us out. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's that quick and easy, very simple, homemade chicken pot pie. Yeah. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we doing, when we doing it. Now let's plate this thing. All right, let's put this delicious, quick and easy, homemade chicken pot pie. Put this on the plate. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. There we go. Make sure we get that crust. Make sure we get that crust. There you have it, family. Homemade, quick and easy chicken pot pie. Yeah. All right, family. That's it. That's all. We got another one. Another one. Delicious, quick and easy, homemade recipe. Yeah. So let's taste it. Let's taste it. You know what we made. Let's taste it. But first, let me let you get a gander at that. Yeah, look at that. Whew, look at that. The crust, the best part. The crust, the best part. A1 boogie. That boy can cook. So the next time, out the place, out your face,